Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can insert a header and background into your channel in vCasts. So the first place you want to go to is the members area, and then you want to click on the edit channel button. It's got a paintbrush on it, so click on that. And the first thing you can do is insert a banner into your page. Now you'll notice right now it says no banner, indicating there is no banner on your page. Well, we're going to fix that in a few moments. Before you upload a banner, it's worth taking note of the recommended banner size. The width of your banner should be 1105 pixels by the height of 140 pixels. This will ensure that your banner will look correct and at its best on your page. So when you create your banner in whatever program you happen to be using, make sure you set it at these widths. That's the first thing. The second thing is the file formats it will accept. It will accept JPEG format, GIF format, and PNG format. With the GIF format, you can actually upload animated GIFs too for your banner. But be aware that animated GIFs are usually larger in size, so with people with slower internet connections, it might make the page load a bit slower. You can also use PNG. PNGs support transparency, which means you can have a transparent background in your banner and the background of your page will show through. An example of this is on the Maca page, and you can see that this user has used a transparent background for the banner and the background is showing through. You can create some nice effects doing it this way. So I'm going to first upload a banner. I'm going to click on the choose file button and I'm going to choose the banner that I've created previously. Click on open. Now that I've chosen the banner, I want to click on upload to upload it to the site. So I click on upload. It says banner uploaded, and then you can see the preview of the banner right here. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on update. It's saying saving your settings, and now the settings have been saved. So that's the banner. I'm going to scroll down. In this section we can put in a background. Like before, we can choose a file and upload it for our background. But before we do that, it's worth checking out the background properties options at the bottom. So I'm going to scroll all the way down, and as you can see we have a couple of options here under edit background properties. The first option is background color. Here we can select a solid color background for our page if we didn't want to use an image, and to do that we'll just click in the field and we get a color picker here, so we can select the color we want and we can use this slider to fine-tune it. The next option we have is background repeat property. If we select that, we can make the background repeat on the horizontal and vertical axis. We can have the image just repeat on the horizontal axis by selecting repeat X. We can have the image repeat on a vertical axis just by selecting repeat Y. And if we didn't want the image to repeat, if we had a large image as our background, we could select no repeat there. Repeat is a very good option to choose when you have a very small image, like a repeating pattern, that you want to use for your background. So I'm going to select repeat here. The next property is the background scroll property. Click on the drop down arrow and we get two options we can choose from: fixed and scroll. If we select fixed, the background will not move when the page is scrolled. If we select scroll, the background will scroll with the page. I like fixed, so I'm going to select fixed here. And the final property is background position. This is useful to position the background on your page. If you have a small background, you might want it to appear in the top left hand corner. So you'd select left top here. you might want to have it in the center. So you select center here. This property is very useful when you have very, very large backgrounds. And for example, the center of the background is showing, but you might want the left top part of the image to show, where you'd select left top. You'd have to experiment with these options to get it to look how you want. I'm going to leave that blank. So now that I've set up my properties, I'm going to select my background. I'm going to select choose file, select my background that I have prepared, click on open, and then again I'm going to click on upload. It's saying background uploaded, and you can see a preview of it here. I'm going to select update, and it's updated. So let's go and see our page. So I'm going to click the X here and view channel, and as you can see I have my banner up the top here and my background, a small image that's repeated. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to click edit channel again. One of the things I didn't mention is the file size. For the header, it should be 500 kilobytes or less, because the larger the image, the slower the page will load, especially for those with slower internet connections. For the background, it should be 650 kilobytes or less. So bear that in mind. If you wanted to start from scratch again, or you wanted a different background or a different header, you can click on the delete current photo link and give it a second, and now you can see you're back to no banner again, so you're free to select the new banner. For the background, you want to select delete current photo, give it a few seconds, and again you're back to no background, essentially starting from scratch again. So that's basically all there is to editing your banner and your background. So I'm going to close this box. You can also include a profile picture by clicking on the Add Profile Picture button. You click on that. You click then on the Choose File button, select your profile picture, and then upload. Give it a second and it will update here too. There's my profile picture. To see your profile picture, you go back to the main page and you select the members option from the menu. And there's mine there, my preview, with extra information there that you supplied when you signed up. So that's basically how you can add a background and add a banner to your page. If you have any more questions about how to use the site, or you see there's a bug, you can click on the email admin button, and there all you need to do is type in your subject and type in the bug that you're reporting or what you need help on, and then click on send email. Well, I hope this has helped you, and I'll see you around. Bye bye for now.